So thank you for considering coming to a PSYCH-K Basic workshop with me. I'll share a little bit about what we do in the PSYCH-K Basic workshop so you get a little bit of idea of what you will be experiencing and transforming within you. So the workshop is set up in 3 days. Okay, the first 2 days are more of the structure and science side that you'll be learning. The third day is more of the flow and expansion. Okay, so and what we do is we'll dive right in, and you'll be learning the impacts of the beliefs that we have embodied, the limiting ones. Okay, and then you'll learn a bit about the science, about how our bodies work, how our brains operate, and how you can unite them and unite yourself in your wholeness. You're going to learn how to, we call it muscle testing or muscle response testing. You'll be able to communicate with your subconscious mind using a specific technique with muscle testing that helps you directly connect with your subconscious mind and your superconscious mind, which is the wisdom part of you. So with that, in the afternoon of the first day, you're going to learn the PSYCH-K balance change process. And then there's 2 ways you can use PSYCH-K, 2 balances we call them, almost like 2 tools that your subconscious mind will pick the best tool to help you with reprogramming your subconscious mind so that you can live more of your true essence here, more of the love and joy of living here. And then the second day, you'll come back and you're going to learn how to create effective goal statements that your subconscious mind understands. Because the level now when we live through life, we're just living with our consciousness, but we don't know how to actually directly work with the subconscious mind. So with PSYCH-K, it helps you do that. And when you can actually communicate with your subconscious directly and know how to create the goals of what you're intending for the outcomes of what you want, and then balance within yourself, you'll be doing that on the second day. You'll also be learning how to transform perceptions, and that's a beautiful one too. I use that the most actually with myself, because you're going to be working with your emotions, working with things that are stressing you out, the inner conflicts, the things that are frustrating you, bothering you, keep coming up in your mind, or keep the patterns that keep happening that you're ready to change. Perfect. You can change your perception of anything as long as it's safe and appropriate for you. PSYCH-K is a spiritual process. So before you make any change, you connect with the highest aspect of you, and you get to name what that is because it's under your beliefs of what you believe that. We call it the superconscious mind. Making sure it's safe and appropriate before you make the change. And once you have that green light, then you get to make that change. And the subconscious mind helps assist you with picking the perfect psyche balance process to help assist you with that. And then also you can, with transforming perceptions, you help clear that dense energy to lift yourself into the higher frequencies and higher levels of consciousness that you really are. And then we bring in the principles of nature, which is beautiful near the end of the second day, where we get to learn how Mother Nature can help us. And are you in alignment with the principles of nature? At the end of the second day, you learn how to self-muscle test. So you get to actually use the psyche balance process with yourself. So the first day and a half, you're working with others because you kind of be like a little teacher. It's a little bit easier to learn that way. And then you get to fully embody and work with this with yourself, because you go home with yourself, and you can use this and you learn how to use this in your daily life, how to transform things when you're ready to transform things within minutes. And then on the third day, we bring it all together, and when you learn how to use PSYCH-K in your daily life in very tangible, real ways. And I'll be giving tons of examples and stories of how I've used it in my life and continue to use it. I will be demonstrating a private PSYCH-K session so that you can help others and assist others, your friends, family, co-workers, and you can even charge services for it when you feel like you want to offer this professionally. It's such a gift. It's such a gift that you're even watching this video. If it is, may you listen to the nudge that's nudging you now, and we welcome you.